In this video, we will show you how to electrically connect a battery inverter such as the Sunny Island X or the Sunny Tri-Power Storage X. For all work on the product, always follow the instructions in the valid operating manual and observe all safety notices. Optionally, you can install the SMA I/O module. This enables the inverter to provide grid system services. Starting from firmware version, below 3.0 2.xxr of the inverter, the SMA I/O module can be retrofitted. You can find information on installation, connection, and configuration in the manual for the SMA I/O module. Insert the metal spacer bolts and tighten them by hand. Fasten the supplied M5x16 mounting screw to the module using a Torx screwdriver. This additionally secures the module and grounds it within the inverter housing. Insert two supplied plastic spacer bolts with internal threads at the positions shown and tighten them by hand. Connecting the optional protective grounding of the inverter housing. Connect the AC cable according to the safety regulations. To connect the DC cables, attach the cleaned cable lugs to the combination screw from the back through the round holes and secure them from the front with the washer and hex nut. Place the touch protection elements around the cable lugs and snap them together until they audibly click into place. Connect the network cable for system communication to the socket, SPWA or SPWB. The battery communication cable is connected depending on the required battery interface. BAT-ETH for Modbus or BAT-CAN for CAN bus is plugged in. A ferrite ring must be attached to each network cable. This completes the electrical connection and the commissioning of the device, or the system can be carried out according to the device requirements.